हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक माय चैनल ट्रैवल विद लेंस। आज का दिन हर एक इंडियन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आज है 26 जनवरी और आज ही के दिन यह 1950 में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया का फॉर्मेशन हुआ था। सो विशिंग एवरीवन अ वेरी हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। और इस रिपब्लिक डे के ओकेशन में आज हम जा रहे हैं गांधी आश्रम। Sabarmati Ashram, also known as Gandhi Ashram, is one of the many residences of Mahatma Gandhi. It is located on the banks of river Sabarmati in Ahmedabad. He lived in Sabarmati for a total of 12 years with his wife Kasturba Gandhi and followers including Vinoba Bhave. It was from here that Gandhi led the Dandi March, also known as the Salt Satyagraha, on 12th March 1930. Vinoba Kutir. This cottage is named after Acharya Vinoba Bhave, who stayed here. Today it is also known as Meera Kutir after Gandhiji's disciple Meera Behan, who later lived here, followed Gandhi's principles. She was the daughter of a British rear admiral. Hriday Kunj. Hriday Kunj was the home of Mahatma Gandhi in the ashram. Mahatma Gandhi and Kasturba lived here from 1918 to 1930. Inside, there are 6 rooms: Gandhiji's room, Kasturba's room, a guest room, kitchen, storeroom, and a secretariat. There are some original Gandhiji's chakra and writing desks. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat's Porbandar. He lived in this ashram with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai Gandhi. He had 4 children: Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. He passed away soon after independence on 30th January 1948 at the age of 78. This chakra was used by Gandhiji to spin khadi. Also, it is the same table he used for writing. Magan Nivas. Magan Nivas used to be the home of ashram's manager, Magan Lal Gandhi. Magan Lal was the cousin of Mahatma Gandhi, who he called the soul of the ashram. The view from this ashram is spectacular. River Sabarmati flows just behind the ashram. Gandhi Memorial Museum was inaugurated on May 10, 1963 by India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It has 3 galleries: Gandhi in Ahmedabad Gallery, Painting Gallery and My Life in My Message Gallery, and houses the ashram's library. The museum also exhibits quotations, letters and other relics of Gandhi. The library consists of nearly 35,000 books dealing with Gandhi's life, work, teachings, Indian freedom movement and allied subjects, and a reading room with more than 80 periodicals in English, Gujarati and Hindi. The museum also displays archives consisting of nearly 34,000 letters to and from Gandhi, both in original and photocopies, about 8,781 pages of manuscript of Gandhi's articles appearing in Harijan, Harijan Sevak and Harijan Bandhu, about 6,000 photographs of Gandhi and his associates.
तो यहाँ पे करते हैं ब्लॉग को एंड। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए, और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं देन प्लीज़ प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन and also hit the bell icon. And once again, wishing everyone a very happy Republic Day. My name is Ajitesh Mishra and I'll be back soon with some amazing vlogs. Till then, sayonara.